School Church of God Ecclesia High Secondary School Mawlai Nongkwar kalap Pynlong school concert mentagasngi ka Shitarik Orisau arjal Pulai hapo Sasam Auditorium State Central Library. Hagani program na donlang ru principal jaga school ikong SB Jana ki pastor jangka balang ki khat jaga managing committee bat kumjur ki mikma bat ki khana school. Ba Brightstarwell marbanyang MLE jangka Mawlai ulang okongsan habakran hakane ka jenglang uba Bright ulapan pawga jeng sokmen Bayan kat bagan ke school bak khamtam banyu ban ngap ke jingwai ki bape aji ke khana school ngatai ke skit bak ki idea ki program
that our children have, and it is very important, as Madam had rightly pointed out. Education is not all about books. It's not about what we learn through our textbook. In fact, we learn more when we move out of our classroom. And one such thing that we learn is through these extracurricular activities. And I would also like to thank the members of the managing committee, all the pastors of the Church of God who are present here today in our midst, dear teachers, parents, and most importantly, our students. Me personally, I'm very much happy to be part of such events where I will be able to witness with my own eyes the hidden talents that is there within our children. And when you talk about education, I would like to remind some of the definition. Mahatma Gandhi, who is the father of our nation, he said, when you talk about education, by education, I mean an all-round drawing out of the best in man. The all-round drawing out of the best in man, that is the body, mind, and spirit. So when you talk about education, it's all about bringing out the best in each and every individual. In fact, when you talk about education, it is about building the character of an individual. It is about civilizing the individual within the society. That is the main purpose of education. And when you talk about education, in fact, the word education, etymologically, it is believed that it has come from different words, one of which is educare. And when you talk about educare, it means to bring out or to nourish. Education, it is also believed to have derived from the word educia, which means to lead out or to draw out. So we can understand when you talk about education, it's all about bringing out the best in each and every individual's life. And I'm happy also to learn the motto of your school, that is the Church of God High Secondary School. The motto of the school is wisdom, truth, and perfection, which I do believe when you look at today's world, we need these three qualities in order to build a society which will be a blessing for each and every one of us. In fact, when I learn about the motto of the school, it reminds me also about the motto of our nation. I don't know how many of you are aware that as a nation, we have a motto. And the motto of our nation is, which has been inscripted in the national emblem, and that is Satyameva Jayate, which means truth alone triumphs. And I do believe that each and every student who had attended this school and who had passed out from the school, you will be the torch bearer of truth. Aku akan keren haktin kasih, makanya kapur, kami kapur pada orang tanki kena, dan ia orang bagi kami kipan. Aku akan tertib, akan kapur pada benda, rasa ngan nong way, bakal ke sekolah. Aku akan tertib ini, nganang yang ABCD, nak ke sekolah ke jompi. Namanya sedang dia ke kuliah ke cuma, hak tu kapur, hak kelas KG. Nanti napo sesuatu. Banang tu masalah tak sekiwegi school. Bangat pendapat ya kan matriculation tapi ya kelas tu berdengar napo government boys higher secondary school. So ngamla akan plan. In fact ngadai alumni jangan school wat pada tentang sistem tentang bahwa kapor kedong kampung. Mau dari ke foundational stage. Kapan nang yang A B C D. Dari nang school kedong ini.
Just keep listening.